Welcome to Abandoned Discovery, a cinematic exploration into the heart of decay and forgotten places. We begin our journey in a vast, empty landscape, where an isolated structure stands as a monument to time's relentless march. An aerial drone shot captures the structure, enveloped in thick, cold fog, highlighting its sheer isolation. We slowly zoom toward the broken entrance gate, the rusted metal barely holding against the wind, emitting a chilling, creaking sound. A close examination reveals the texture of decay, peeling paint, deep corrosion, and the soft flicker of decaying light. The gate yields, and we step across the threshold, leaving the outside world behind for the silence of the forgotten interior. Inside, a wide hall stretches out, broken furniture scattered across the floor, illuminated by faint sunlight filtering through cracks. Our perspective is cautious, footsteps echoing loudly in the immense space, the camera shaking slightly as we move deeper into the dark. Up close, the walls are cracked, the ceiling partially collapsed. Small pieces of debris fall silently, emphasizing the structure's instability. Everything here is frozen in time, yet nature works tirelessly to reclaim what was once hers. Old machinery, covered in a thick layer of rust and dust, stands silently, intricate spiderwebs stretched between the forgotten gears. A broken window allows the outside world to peek in, torn curtains blowing slowly, creating an eerie, soft motion in the dim light. We move down a long, dark corridor, tracking forward slowly until the path dissolves into impenetrable darkness, building suspense. Our exploration continues, revealing the true scale of this abandoned world, leading toward a dramatic conclusion. A full drone orbit showcases the structure's impressive size and its absolute isolation within the desolate landscape. Vines and wild plants aggressively cover the walls and windows, a clear visual testament to nature reclaiming its territory. Above the structure, storm clouds rapidly gather, an unsettling time-lapse capturing the dramatic, dark tones of the approaching weather. A sudden burst of birds takes flight from the rooftop, a sharp movement breaking the tension of the quiet air. As darkness descends, the true eerie nature of this place comes into focus, hinting at secrets held within its walls. A flashlight beam cuts through the darkness, slowly revealing objects and casting strong, unsettling shadows across the room. A wide shot captures the entire structure at night, bathed in cold moonlight and thin fog, emphasizing the quiet, unsettling ambience. A sudden bolt of lightning flashes, momentarily illuminating the full, high-contrast silhouette of the abandoned structure. Welcome to the exciting first phase of our ambitious restoration project, planning and cleanup. This phase marks the transition from decay to hope, laying the essential groundwork for what is to come. Warm light now touches the long-abandoned structure as the morning fog clears, signaling the true beginning of our restoration journey. Our dedicated team of professionals, equipped and ready, arrive on site to tackle the immense challenge ahead. The restoration starts with meticulous assessment, detailed planning, and the crucial first step, clearing away years of neglect. Blueprints are carefully unfolded and reviewed, transforming vision into actionable plans under the soft morning light. The painstaking process of clearing debris begins, with dust motes dancing dramatically in the sunlit rays, symbolizing active movement and cleanup. Rusted metal parts are cut away, generating bright sparks in slow motion, signaling the removal of decay and the focus on structure. Walls are vigorously cleaned with high-pressure water, washing away years of dirt and grime and visually kickstarting the transformation of the structure. With this space cleared, we move to critical structural repairs, reinforcing the bones of the building for a solid foundation. Cracks and damage are meticulously repaired using fresh cement, focusing on texture and material application to restore integrity. The staircase framework is repaired, with new support beams carefully installed, ensuring safe and upward access for the future. Broken window panels are replaced with new, clean glass, allowing fresh sunlight to stream into the once dark interior. Overgrown vines and vegetation are removed from the exterior, clearing the view and allowing the structure's original facade to breathe again. The ground surrounding the structure is leveled and smoothed using heavy equipment, completing the preparation of the immediate surroundings. Now we focus on installing and repairing essential infrastructure, the building's electrical, plumbing, and finishing systems. A fresh primer coat is applied to the walls, covering damaged surfaces with a neutral, clean color, prepping them for the final finish. New electrical wiring is neatly installed and organized, bringing modern power and functionality back into the restored space. Plumbing pipes are installed and fixed, featuring metallic shine, ensuring reliable water and waste systems throughout the building. The planning and cleanup phase is successfully completed. We are now ready to transition into the next exciting stage of construction. See the dramatic visual contrast, from abandoned decay to a cleaned, prepped, and structurally sound environment, ready for rebuild. Stay tuned as we move into the next phase and continue the journey towards full restoration and renewal. Welcome to the ultimate transformation. Get ready to witness a stunning luxury home come to life in this rapid build time-lapse. This is where vision meets reality. Watch as we turn a simple structure into a modern masterpiece, emphasizing rapid progress and satisfying construction visuals. The foundation of strength begins. See the walls stack up in a time-lapse, transforming broken structure into a solid, clean form with speed and precision. Witness the steel framework ascend. A low-angle cinematic shot captures the structure gaining immense height and strength, signifying major progress. Now for the skin of the structure, the exterior and large structural elements that define the home's modern silhouette. The light is coming in. Modern glass panels are carefully placed, reflecting the beautiful sunlight and providing a clean, sleek aesthetic. Large panoramic windows are secured, opening up the interiors and instantly flooding the space with bright, natural light. A clean transformation takes place as the exterior is smoothly repainted in a sophisticated, modern color palette. Inside, the core elements of luxury are installed, focusing on precision and seamless integration into the modern design. Experience the satisfying alignment of flooring installation as tiles and wood panels fit perfectly, providing a smooth and luxurious surface. The centerpiece of the interior, a luxury staircase construction filmed with a smooth pan upward, highlighting the modern design as it rapidly forms. Watch the modular kitchen setup and luxury bathroom fittings installed with precision, showcasing sleek, functional modern design. The house is becoming a home. This phase introduces essential systems, intelligent technology, and the final aesthetic touches. Warm LED lights turn on gradually during the ceiling lighting installation, immediately creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The nervous system of the home. Advanced smart home wiring and panels are installed, adding a futuristic touch to the entire structure. Finally, the space is personalized. Modern furniture is delivered, and interior decorations are placed, completing the aesthetic design. The transformation extends beyond the walls. We now focus on the outdoor environment and creating a luxurious external retreat. Outdoor landscaping begins. Watch as greenery enhances the environment with grass, plants, and meticulously laid pathways, from ground excavation to a refreshing oasis. See the pool construction complete, followed by the satisfying slow-motion fill of clear blue water. The transformation is nearly complete. This is the moment for the final touches and the stunning reveal of the finished luxury home. The attention to detail shines through. Workers are seen meticulously polishing and cleaning surfaces, giving the structure that near-completion sparkle. As night falls, the true luxury emerges. The structure is glowing with warm lights, showcasing the stunning contrast and high-end ambiance. Welcome to the grand finale. Witness the breathtaking culmination of our most ambitious project, the luxury transformation reveal. After months of meticulous design and dedicated construction, we are ready to unveil a truly spectacular luxury property. Experience the ultimate in luxury living, starting with this stunning aerial view at golden hour. Warm sunlight bathes the fully transformed structure. Step inside through the main entrance. Notice the seamless blend of modern architecture and elegant design, revealing pure sophistication. Now let's explore the exquisite interiors, where every detail has been crafted for the ultimate luxury lifestyle and emotional satisfaction. This wide interior shot captures the breathtaking living room. Elegant furniture and abundant natural light create a spacious and inviting atmosphere. Attention to detail is paramount. Observe the close-up of premium materials, marble, wood, and metal finishes, showcasing high detail textures and craftsmanship. The luxury bedroom offers soft lighting and a minimalistic, aesthetic setup for perfect relaxation. Adjoining it, a spa-like bathroom provides a serene, rejuvenating escape. The high-end kitchen is a culinary masterpiece, featuring modern appliances and clean surfaces. This cinematic slow pan highlights its functional elegance. The luxury experience extends beyond the walls. Let's step outside and explore the transformed grounds and lifestyle amenities. The outdoor pool beautifully reflects the sunset sky. The gentle movement of the water creates a peaceful, luxurious atmosphere. As night falls, the structure glows with warm, inviting lights, offering a premium cinematic look and a calm, elegant environment. Imagine yourself enjoying this space. Interior lifestyle shots reveal people relaxing and enjoying the home naturally, adding a warm human touch. A close-up of the fireplace reveals warm flames burning, enhancing the cozy atmosphere with soft, inviting lighting. This journey from ruins to dream culminates in an emotional climax, celebrating the transformation and the new life awaiting. Witness the dramatic contrast in this powerful before versus after comparison, highlighting the extent of this total luxury transformation. Feel the emotional peak of this reveal, set to slow-motion visuals and a musical crescendo, emphasizing the beauty and success of the project. A final golden frame hero shot captures the luxury structure in perfect lighting and composition, the dream realized. This is more than a renovation. It's a testament to vision and dedication, from ruins to dream. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Subscribe for more luxury transformations.